Hello, and welcome. One of the most important questions most people have when making the transition from a 2D CAD tool to a full 3D design solution is, what happens to all of my existing 2D design data? Well, before we get started in this course, you should understand that SolidWorks recognizes the value of your 2D data, and because of this, provides tools that allow you to continue working with your DXF and DWG files in their native file format, and it also allows you to create 3D models directly from your existing 2D data. Since most of the information needed to generate a 3D model already exists in your 2D designs, SolidWorks simply takes advantage of that information to simplify the transition from 2D to 3D and move your data and your designs forward. In this course, we'll go over all of the tools available in SolidWorks that will help you maintain your existing 2D data, as well as how to move it forward and convert it into 3D. We'll begin by looking at how to import your data into SolidWorks using a few different methods. Later in the course, we'll introduce the features and functions in SolidWorks that will allow you to begin working with your 3D models quickly and begin creating new designs from scratch directly in SolidWorks.